8th October 1932. 6 Indian officers, after 2 years of training at Cranwell, UK, were granted the King's Commission to form the Indian Air Force. The British aircraft they flew would start by hand-turned gear at a speed of 225 kilometers and was named after the North American deer. It was Westland Wapiti, popularly known as WAP. The gunner seated at the rear open cockpit had to be tied down with a chain to prevent him from flying off when the plane somersaulted. 5 Indian pilots had seen the action before during the First World War, but as part of the Royal Flying Corps, England. When the Second World War broke out, the RIAF comprised of only 1 squadron with 16 officers and 269 airmen. By the end of the war, owing to their brilliantly daring performance, the RIAF had 9 squadrons. In 1942, the Indian Air Force received what is known as one of the world's classic fighter planes, the Hawker Hurricanes. Through 1943 and 1944, the Hurricane Squadron fought on the Burma front. With a speed exceeding 480 kilometers an hour, the Hurricanes flew in pairs. The leader would watch and collect information, and the number 2, nicknamed Weaver, would protect his tail. In 1944, the Indian Air Force received what is considered one of the greatest combat aircraft ever built. With a speed of 720 kilometers an hour and famed for its role during the Battle of Britain, this was the legendary Supermarine Spitfire, and the Indian Air Force had over 350 of them.